Assalamualaikum. Today I'll be explaining the student fee tracking system, a code that we made for a project in computer programming by Ismail.Riaz, Abdullah, Zafar, and Ailha, Javed. The purpose of this project is to manage student fee records digitally using a file which we can also open in Microsoft Excel. And this helps store, search, update the managed fee very easily, very efficiently. So let's run the code. Password, and it won't work without them. So this is, we logged in successfully. It won't work if I put any other password, any other username here. It would not have let me run anything. After successful login, this is the main menu where it will ask you if you want to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 0, and each you can either add a student record, like if I choose this choice 1, it will ask me to enter a student ID, which I can do like 250 1499, anything like that. Enter a student name, let's say it's Abdullah, and then your department, let's say mechatronics, and the semester, let's say 2. Now the total fees, let's say it's like 50,000 in this example, and we only paid like 40,000. And due date is on 2026. Now we have successfully added the student data into the file. Now if I need to search the student record, I can do 2 and then search the one we just put in, which is 2501499, and then it will display the student ID I just searched for. And as you can see, everything, and the status is partial because the fees is not fully paid. For example, if I did another student record like 0, any name like Saudis, economics, semester 3, and then if I did like 50,000 and then nothing paid, it's being the same. Now if I search that student up, it will show that the status is unpaid, nothing is paid. And if obviously if I did 5,000, 50,000 or 50,000, it would say paid. You can also update student records, like now if I need to update the first one, I can add a new name if I want. It's the same in this case. Department also, it's the same. Let's say it's like a new semester, like the 4th semester, and the fees went to 100,000, and the new fees he hasn't paid yet, and due date 2026, next 2027. Anything like this doesn't really matter. Now if I search it up, it will show all the new updated records. You can also display every record here. If I press 5, it will show all the ones, the 2 we just put in, and there was one already in there. Status paid, unpaid, because we changed this, or else it would be partially paid. And then you can generate a fee report where it shows all the IDs together. We can also exit the program. Now if I exit the program, we can open the document in Excel, and it will show there as a table like this. These are the 2 we put in, and this was already in the system before we ran the code. I paid this before, so all of them have have different due dates, paid, unpaid. Status is described here.